Nothing makes me feel girlier and classier than wearing ethnic wear. Hi, I'm Shruti and today I will take you through some classic ethnic looks that are a no-fail and always work. So next time you have a last-minute event where you have to wear desi wear, you never have to say, I have nothing to wear. Let's begin. The short kurta and sharara combination. First up, pairing a short kurta with sharara. What I like about sharara pants is that it gives the look of a lehenga, but the comfort of pants. This look works best on shorter girls as the shorter kurta elongates your legs and a crisper sharara makes sure you're not drowning in fabric, unlike a lehenga or anarkali. How can I not have a classic sari on the list? This 9 yards of beauty is an absolute must in every girl's wardrobe. If you're not a frequent sari wearer, then I would suggest picking a sari in a classic jewel tone, which can be worn for the nighttime with a dressier blouse and taken out in the day with a more casual blouse. Chicken kurta. As a girl who loves fashion, it amazes me how diverse and extensive Indian craftsmanship on garments is. One classic Indian embroidery style that every girl should have is a piece of chicken curry. A traditional chicken kurta looks elegant, intricate, and can be styled in so many ways. Moving towards a more fusion-ish look, I love the skirt and a crop top combo. Be it a hand block wrap-around skirt or a crinkled bandhni maxi skirt. A desi printed skirt is a must in every girl's wardrobe. My favorite way of styling such skirt is either with a crop top or a basic tank top, or sometimes even with a crisp white shirt. So grab these pieces and you will have your desi wardrobe sorted. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I love fall and winter. There's just something so chic about putting multiple layers in an outfit together. Hi guys, this is Shruti, and there are certain fashion items that I believe are necessary for every girl to have for the winter season. Other than being an absolute essential to keep you warm in the cold weather, these also help elevate your outfit and make it look more stylized. So, let's begin. Turtlenecks. This is not particularly a trend and has been around for several years and engraved in fashion history. However, recently there has been a resurgence of the turtleneck, making it a trend. This season, turtlenecks are worn as a layer under everything: blazers, denim jackets, coveralls, and more. Cardigan. Now here is a dull layer that has seen a massive comeback. Yes, a trusty cardigan is a light layer that looks cute and also keeps you warm. But this 90s fashion item has gotten a sexier makeover in 2020. This season, instead of wearing the cardigan as a layer, it is being worn as the top itself, leaving the top and bottom buttons open. Next on the list is stockings. An easy way to transition your summer dresses into winter is by styling them with a pair of stockings. Other than serving the obvious purpose of keeping your legs warm, stocking looks chic with everything from a pair of boots to slinky high heels. Now that you have your legs covered, it's also essential to cover up your neck in the super cold winter months. A cozy infinity scarf solves the problem and also looks very stylish. Owing to the size of the infinity scarf, it can be styled in so many ways. Try to pick up warmer tones such as browns, greys, or burgundy so that the scarf can match all your winter OOTDs. Stock these basics and you will be ready to look your stylish best in the cold weather. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. And you committed yourself to all your fitness goals. A couple of months and a few cheesecakes and chocolates later, the plan seems a bit far-fetched. Well, maybe an entire gym outfit or having all your essentials ready and in place will motivate you to get that workout in. So let me take you through the basics you need for the gym. First up, a sports bra. Ladies, I cannot stress enough on the importance of the right sports bra. It would help if you had these when working out. You can pick the sports bra depending on the intensity of the workout. If the exercise is more intense, such as cardio, running, or HIIT, go for a high-impact sports bra. If you're going for something light, like yoga, you can go for a low to medium impact bra. Yoga pants or running pants. This one is obvious but essential. You cannot be running on a treadmill in a pair of jeans or even leggings or jeggings. A comfortable pair of running pants with enough stretch is a must. Any fitness expert would tell you that the first step to working out is to get the right pair of shoes. The wrong shoes could not only be a hindrance in the ease of working out, but can damage the knees in the long run. So get the right sneakers for your workout. Another activewear item people often tend to ignore is an insulated jacket. To put things simply, it cools you down in the hot weather or when your body temperature rises when working out, and helps keep you warm in cold weather. This weather-resistant workout jacket will go a long way. Last on the list is a sturdy gym bag to carry all your essentials, and of course stuff like a water bottle, a deodorant, a towel, and more. Now with these in place, there will be no stopping you from reaching your fitness goals. I will see you guys next time. Bye. The world is moving from maximalism to minimalism, and so is fashion. But for my everyday looks, I like to accessorize, but I keep it accessible and fuss-free, which means I mostly go for dainty jewelry to style my looks. Hi guys, this is Shruti, and today I will take you through some must-have delicate jewelry pieces that you need in your wardrobe. Studs. First is a pair of studs. Obviously, it does not have to be a real stone. Fake it till you make it, girl. But these look so charming and instantly brighten up your face. You can try a variety of shapes such as round, square, hexagon, triangle. The choices are endless. Next is a dainty or charm bracelet. This works best to stack with your go-to watch to create a soft arm candy for an everyday look. A hot favorite in the fashion scene right now is dainty layered necklaces. Start with 2 and then build them up as you go. One thing to keep in mind with layered necklaces, of course, is to pick different lengths. A good neck candy looks best with broader or V-neck lines. Last on the list is a classic ring. When picking a dainty one for everyday use, go for a neutral stone such as diamond and a silver with a white gold or rose gold band that will match everything. And that is your dose of everyday accessorizing. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hair is said to be a woman's crown, and honestly, they do make a dramatic difference in the way you look. But as we all know, not every day is a good hair day. In fact, good hair days seldom happen. But thanks to specific products that we can salvage a bad hair day. Hi, this is Shruti. Let me take you through a list of products you need to make your hair look the best. Hair serum. Mostly used on damp hair, a hair serum helps tame frizz and tame your manes. When applying the serum, focus on the ends. Start with applying the products on your ends and then work your way up. Hair mousse. Have you ever styled your hair and the minute you step out, it goes back to its normal texture? Well, that is because you're not using a mousse. For your hair to hold the style and mold a certain way, you need mousse. Also, when massaged into the scalp, mousse helps add volume to your hair. While the hair mousse helps add volume and mold your hair, a hairspray helps lock it all in and also tames any small flyaways, making your hair look polished and set. So your hair is the last thing you worry about as you go through your day. Last on the list is dry shampoo. For those days when your hair is looking oily or limp and you don't have the time to wash, dry shampoo is your savior. Simply spritz dry shampoo on your scalp. It absorbs all the excess oil and leaves your hair feeling, smelling and looking fresh as if it was freshly washed. With these products, you will never have a bad hair day again. Thank me later. Ciao!
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.